give yourselves a round of applause. You're so lovely. Everyone's so lovely. And while you're in the clapping mood, she.
Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. She is. Your girl does not start Vlogmas on December 1st because I know myself, huh? I know thyself. We're not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that to y'all. I'm not gonna do that to me. So anyway, I went to the gym this morning. I did not get any footage because I was charging my camera battery. I don't have freaking space on my phone because I'm a picture hoarder, so you know I don't have space. But yeah, so I started my morning. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I have been back on my fitness journey. I am proud of thyself. Ha 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 ha. Proud of myself because you know I was just okay, and just like this rut, and yeah, and I just had to make some changes because y'all 2022 it's some things happening in thine life that I can't be mediocre. I can't, like, you know. So start now. This is your reminder. This is your hopefully some type of inspiration to start your fitness journey, eating right, eating better, doing better physically, mentally. Do it now. Start now. Don't wait till the new year. But yeah, you know, that's that. So I typically go to the gym like around 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:30 in the morning. So on today, huh? What do we have planned on today? Let me just be honest with y'all, okay? First of all, hold on, let me show you guys. All right, I'm gonna be honest. It's typical. We don't do that. I'm taking. Thank you. It's typically just me and homeboy. He gets on my nerves, I get on his nerves, but you know, y'all know this took me a long time to get this way. So hi, say hi. Biscuit, say hi. So I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. I'm not your typical channel, okay? I'm not all into Christmassy stuff. We don't really do all that type of stuff. So if you like that, sorry. You know, we halfway Christmas, you know what I mean? We a little mixed. We a mixed family, you know what I mean? So we did get a tree. It's not decorated yet. That's how you know we don't be, you know, that's how you know we don't be Christmassy like that. But we're gonna incorporate some Christmas things during the week of Vlogmas. But just know, like, it's gonna be different stuff. Like, it's not gonna be vlogs every single day because I don't watch vlogs every single day unless you're like my favorite. I have like 2 favorite people that I watch, and I'll shout them out. Miss Vaughn TV, that's my girl. I love her. I watch her vlogs all the time. And then Arnell Armand, I love her. So you know, I watch those too. So I'm not really like a vlog watcher, so I don't expect that y'all be watching my vlogs either, you know what I'm saying? Anywho, it's gonna be some vlogs, it's gonna be hair stuff, you know, it's gonna be some cool stuff up and through. I'm gonna have some guests, you know what I'm saying, some discussion, some topics. So what? Oh, hi baby. Y'all believe this is me, huh? Can y'all believe this is me? Like, this is crazy. He gets on my, let me tell you, he gets on my nerves, okay? He gets on my nerves. I am getting ready to answer some emails. I have a lot of like admin stuff to do. Campaigns I have to reshoot. Or not reshoot, but re-edit. And then I really need to make a Target run. So if I do that, I'll try to bring y'all obviously along with me. And I think I'm gonna do some hair in this video. So yeah, I need to do my hair. I need to wash my hair. I've been rocking this braid, as you can tell. It's like so frizzy. Y'all can't tell, but oh my God. This is my film room right now, okay? I'm not ashamed of the mess. Okay, because I know your house ain't spick and span right now either. It might be, but you know what, whatever. So yeah, I can't function in dysfunction, huh? Somebody, that's a word. That's a word. I need to get my life because I have to film. What time is it? So it's only 9:30 in the morning, but I have a very, very limited time during the day. I have to go pick up my daughter from school. You know, so that takes out some time from my day because the parents, let me tell y'all, them parents be parked pretty freaking early, and you know, to get a good parking spot you got to get there early, which takes more of my time. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up so that I can function and think. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all. Typically I don't show like my home because I just feel like, you know, that's just not my ministry, you know what I mean? Anybody else who does that, just no shade. I just, you know, It's just not me. I like to have some personal, you know, I'm a super private person, so I just like to have some privacy in my life, and my home is like my sanctuary, my privacy. So I just don't, you know, I just don't show that. But you know, I am showing y'all a portion of my film room and some
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
I'm gonna be using the living proof today in the video. So what I typically do will take out everything that I need.
Kind of guy that I should make a move on.
So I need to, y'all, it's just, okay? I got products covering, I know y'all can't see, I don't know. I got products covering my monitor, so I can't even see myself. It's just, ugh. I got boxes down here. Like, it's just ridiculous. Like, just stuff I gotta go through. I don't even have time to move everything out the way. I just gotta clean what I can see. You know how you be putting lotion on just like the area that's gonna be shown? None of this stuff is gonna be shown, but you know, I don't have time to do a deep clean at the moment. Yeah, so typically when I film, I have a whole bunch of stuff behind me. And if you watch my videos on regular, you see me like moving, might be something to that. I don't really care. So we'll get to this another time. Again, I got boxes, oh my God, just a lot. But yeah, so the next clip y'all will see is of me trying the living proof. I need some food. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this braid out. I love doing this braid from time to time because, you know, it's easy and it looks like you tried a little bit, you know what I mean? Like you have a little hairstyling sense. It's time to be like Elsa and let it go, you know? Just let it go. Let it go, okay? I don't know who that message is for. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and wash my hair. So again, I will not be showing y'all the shower clip because it's just a lot. But I will be taking the shampoo, which is this living proof curl shampoo for waves, curls, and coils. Sulfate free. Stuff is kind of expensive, but you know, it might be up somebody's alley. I don't know. I like to try everything out. And then the curl conditioner, sulfate free conditioner. So we'll be using that. It's very, very nice packaging. The smell smells so good to me. Ooh, yeah, it's a little thick for this to be a shampoo. Look at that. I don't know. This is not my good camera. It's my vlogger camera. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on. It's like, it's thick. She thick. It's the curl enhancer, conditioning styler is what I have, as well as curl defining gel, which is probably what we're gonna use in conjunction with this. Curl definer, conditioning styler. I don't know what I'm going to use. And then the curl elongator. Oh my God, well, let me think this through. I'm gonna think about it and ponder in the shower, huh? And then I'll be back, so yeah.
I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. What you're going through, I wanna be down with you. Down with you.
end it out with showing you guys how I use the living proof. So yeah, the shampoo conditioner, I liked it. To me, is it worth the money? I mean, it did clump my hair. My hair did feel rather moisturized. Okay, look at the clumpage. Okay, it did clump my hair. I will say that. That's not a must-have for me. I used the curl defining gel and the curl definer because they both were for my textured hair. The other ones were for like waves, and then it was the curl elongator, which I'm going to use a little bit later. So I'm going to layer the curl definer and then the gel together. Now the smell smells really good. The smell does linger, so if you're not really into scents, just be mindful of that. But it does have a fresh, like floral, fresh scent. I don't really know how to explain it, but it did give a lot of slip. For me, I can't just use a curl definer by itself. It's supposed to define curls. I don't consider my hair curly. I consider it more textured and a tighter curl pattern, even though it doesn't look as tight wet as it dries. And then just the actual overall texture of my hair is more, to me, not a silky curly curl, if that makes sense. So we're going to use a curl defining gel for waves, curls, and coils. Now, I don't see how this can be for coils, but I chose to use a little bit of product. I did not go ham this time. Usually, you guys know I am super heavy-handed. Decided not to do that. But yeah, I layered them because obviously it wasn't going to work with just one or the other, unfortunately. It could have maybe with the gel, but I think I would have been a lot more heavy-handed because the application wasn't the best in my opinion. I shingled, y'all. I shingled on this section, but I gave up. I said shingling ain't making a difference on how my hair is coming out. So speed up the process, and just showing y'all that I'm doing the same exact thing that I typically would in my videos. All I'm doing is layering the products, so the cream, the curl definer first, and then the gel. So while I got y'all here, oh, I did shingle this section. Okay, that's the last section that I shingled. Okay, but while I got y'all here, let me know how y'all want me to do Vlogmas. I'm going to upload this video rather late for people that are on the East Coast. So it's only, you know, it's still rather early for me because I'm on the West. But let me know if you guys prefer an earlier upload or not, because you know I'd rather do this in real time. But if real time is not gonna work, then we're not gonna do it real time. Okay, but anyway, back to the video. I was not happy. I wasn't. So I decided to break out the curl elongators because this is for coils. I don't really need for my curls to be elongated, but I mean, it's nice. Now, it is a very thick cream. I loved the application. It seemed like it would really work really well underneath the gel. I can't really explain it. It felt expensive. That's all I could pretty much say. It was a perfect consistency. And it was rather wrap. Why I keep using rather? What? It was very hydrating, y'all. It felt like a nice, expensive butter. You know what I mean? So I really enjoyed that. Out of all the three, when it comes to like applications, I enjoyed the cream. And the cream actually gave me more of hold as it dried, which I kind of expected because it's an elongator and it's supposed to be meant for those who have tighter texture. So we need that hold, we need that weight, and it did give me that. Now, is it worth it? I don't. I personally, again, will only use this for my hair underneath the gel, never by itself. But it could work for people. These products are not, you know, help with any frizz or anything like that, but it did give me some curl definition. It did give me like a slight hold. One thing that it did not give me was sheen, and I love sheen, but I can't expect that from, you know, a gel-less type of product. Unfortunately, y'all, after this dried, I did get some flaking. So my hair is not looking the best. It's not really like enhancing my curls at this point. I'm just putting some curl elongator on the top just to kind of give it some shine. Like, I didn't know what to expect. So I'm not really hopeful. But in this clip, this is my hair pretty much dried. It was probably like 80% dry. It felt like I used a cream. So if you ever used cream, y'all know how that feels. Especially if you're a gel girl, it's just a difference in using a cream and a gel. That's the feel that I got. So no crunch. There was a slight hold on my ends, but that was it. So I just went ahead and diffused my roots because it was still kind of wet. And these were the results. Now, typically I would stretch, correct? I would stretch, but I chose not to. I'm like, you know what? I'm just go ahead and put it up in a really high pineapple and kind of like a loose banding method type of thing, where I just do the banding method maybe like once or twice around to just kind of emphasize the length. And I'm so glad I did that because as you guys will see in the clips coming up, I really didn't need to use heat. And I think if I would have used heat to stretch it, y'all, honestly, I would have had major frizz, because I even got frizz taking this band out. So yeah, y'all, I went ahead and used my Sunday to Sunday. Y'all know I love this stuff. It's just for your edges, just to really give your edges some nourishment. I mentioned this in a previous video. But yeah, it's black owned. It works really good. And then I use my edge control, which I don't know why that clip is not in here, but I use Kiss. I can't even get the words out, y'all. I use Kiss, okay? And then I went ahead and just minded my business until it was time to come back to show y'all. So this was like maybe like an hour that passed or so. And so these are the results, y'all. Tons of flaking. Tons. All in the air. Y'all be able to see it. You see it right there? Look at this. Squint just a little bit. Close one eye and squint. You see it? You see it. I know you see it. Tons of flakes in the air. I don't like that at all. No sheen to my hair. The curls were pretty, but it's like I've seen better, and I expected better, especially since I did not use a lot of product. Like, I was intentional with not using a lot of product, just because I just really want to see how these worked. So yeah, will I use them again? Probably not. I would probably use a curl elongator. I would love to see how that's going to work underneath the gel. But I had a lot of movement in body, but the flaking I could not do. But anyway, thank y'all for watching Vlogmas Day 1. I'll see y'all either tomorrow or the next day. Where we go try to make this all the way until December 24th. So, love y'all for watching. See y'all in my next video.